stop using sugar. 3 best and easiest alternatives for coffee, tea, and baking. Hey, health-conscious friends! Welcome back to the Health Clues. If you're looking for healthier ways to sweeten your coffee, tea, or baked treats, you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing the top 3 easiest and healthiest sugar alternatives for your drinks and desserts. No complicated ingredients, no weird aftertaste, just simple, natural, and delicious swaps. And make sure to stick around because I'll also share some pro tips on how to use these alternatives correctly so you get the best results. Let's dive right in. Let's start with the morning must-haves, coffee and tea. Many of us add sugar without even thinking, but did you know that excessive sugar intake is linked to weight gain, diabetes, and even premature aging? So, what can we use instead? Here are 3 fantastic and super easy swaps that blend perfectly in hot drinks. 1. Stevia Drops. Stevia is a plant-based, zero-calorie sweetener that doesn't raise blood sugar and is way sweeter than sugar, meaning you only need a few drops. Add 2 to 3 drops to your tea or coffee. No stirring required. It dissolves instantly. Great if you like a slightly herbal, natural sweetness. If you find stevia too strong or bitter, start with just 1 drop and adjust to taste. Some brands mix it with erythritol for a milder flavor. 2. Monk Fruit Sweetener. Monk fruit is a natural sweetener with 0 calories and no effect on blood sugar. The best part? It tastes very similar to sugar without the bitterness that some people experience with stevia. Use 1/2 to 1 teaspoon for a standard cup of coffee or tea. It dissolves well and gives a smooth, sugar-like sweetness. Perfect if you want a completely natural, guilt-free sweetness. Look for monk fruit blends with erythritol for better texture and sweetness. 3. Coconut sugar. If you want a more natural sugar without a drastic taste change, coconut sugar is perfect. It contains minerals like iron, zinc, and potassium and has a lower glycemic index than regular sugar, meaning it won't spike your blood sugar as much. Use 1 teaspoon in your coffee or tea. It works 1:1 like sugar. It adds a mild caramel-like sweetness, great for lattes and herbal teas. It's less processed than white sugar and still tastes familiar. While coconut sugar is healthier, it still has calories, so don't go overboard. Alright, now let's talk about baking. Cakes, muffins, cookies, we all love them. But traditional white sugar isn't doing us any favors. So, what are the best natural and easy-to-use sugar substitutes? 1. Coconut sugar. Coconut sugar is the best direct replacement for white sugar in baking. It has a similar sweetness level and works 1:1 in any recipe. Replace white sugar 1:1 with coconut sugar in cakes, muffins, and cookies. It adds a slight caramel taste, which enhances flavors in baked goods. Works great in moist cakes and cookies. Because coconut sugar has a darker color, your baked goods might turn out slightly browner, but the taste will be delicious. 2. Monk Fruit plus Erythritol Blend. If you want a completely sugar-free option that still bakes like sugar, Monk Fruit plus Erythritol is your best bet. It has 0 calories, no blood sugar impact, and tastes almost identical to sugar. Replace sugar 1:1 with a monk fruit erythritol blend in any recipe. Works great in cookies, cakes, and even frosting. Caramelizes well and keeps baked goods light and fluffy. 3. Unsweetened applesauce. Applesauce is not only a natural sweetener, but also keeps cakes extra moist. Plus, it adds a little fiber and nutrients to your treats. Replace half a cup of sugar with half a cup of applesauce in recipes. Works best in moist cakes, muffins, and brownies. Helps reduce oil and fat in recipes too. Since applesauce is a liquid, you might need to reduce other liquids slightly to balance the texture of your batter. Final thoughts and call to action. So there you have it. The best, easiest, and healthiest sugar alternatives for your coffee, tea, and baking. Let's recap. For coffee and tea, Stevia Drops, Monk Fruit Powder, coconut sugar. For baking, coconut sugar, monk fruit plus erythritol, unsweetened applesauce. Which one are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Health Clues for more simple and effective health hacks. Until next time, stay healthy and keep your sweet cravings guilt-free. See you soon.